If you are choosing thermal paper rolls in South Africa, the first thing you need to know is this. Not every machine uses the same size. For most card machines like Yoco, iCoca, PayX, Ingenico, and Verifone, the most common size is 57 by 40 mm. For larger retail till printers and supermarket POS printers, the common size is usually 80 by 80 mm. But many buyers make one mistake. They only check the paper width. In reality, you also need to check the outer diameter and the core size. If the roll is too big, it may not fit. If the core is wrong, the paper may not feed smoothly. That's why some businesses end up with paper jams, blank receipts, or rolls that run out too quickly. So in South Africa, before buying thermal paper in bulk, always confirm 3 things: width, diameter, and core size. Because the right roll size does not just fit your machine, it also affects print quality, feeding stability, and daily operating cost.